the best of the week on Relevant Radio.
Let's bring in Glenn and Sarah. Hey, Glenn, what is the latest on the Holy Father, Pope Francis' condition here on this Tuesday morning?
Guys, Pope Francis rested well through the night last night, according to the latest update. He got up and continued his daily therapy as well. His condition said to be similar to yesterday. He was able to do some work. He met Cardinal Pietro Parolin, another one of the officials at the Vatican yesterday, to sign some causes for sainthood. Also, he made time to call the pastor of Holy Family Parish in Gaza, expressing his closeness as well. He'd received the Eucharist Monday morning. Again, continued some work on Monday afternoon. Cautious optimism that he's getting better. No episodes of the asthma-like respiratory distress that occurred over the weekend since then. And then some lab tests have shown improvement. They're still monitoring his kidney function. That's not raised any new concerns. Oxygen therapy continues, although with slightly reduced flow and oxygen levels. So sounds like some gradual improvement, guys.
It's great news, and obviously the Holy Father knows that so many people there in Rome and around the world are praying for him. I was very moved, of course, beginning with here on Relevant Radio last night with the Family Rosary across America. That was the first thing on Father Rocky's mind as he opened up the rosary and praying for the health and the speedy recovery of the Holy Father, and also kept an eye on the crowd. They said hundreds. It looked like thousands of people in St. Peter's. There was a huge crowd of people fervently praying with all their hearts for the Holy Father to get better. And last night was just day one. It's going to continue while he's in the hospital. So they should be praying again tonight in St. Peter's. But it's very moving to see so many people from all different parts of the world. I've heard, sound bites from people from all over, everybody concerned about his condition and just pulling for him to make it through. And so I'm sure those prayers are helping him, and it explains why we're optimistic. And, he slept peacefully last night.
Showing slight improvement each day since things kind of bottomed out on Saturday, it seemed. And so he is expected to be in for at least a week yet, and but getting the best care in the world, as you can imagine. So that's good news.
And even the president of the United States, President Trump, in his meeting at the White House yesterday with French President Macron, both of them individually sent their well wishes to the Holy Fathers. A reporter asked both of them. They had a message for Pope Francis, and of course, Trump saying, "We wish him well. It's a very serious situation," and same thing for Macron.
Absolutely, good to have the support of world leaders as well as the everyday folks too. So the Holy Father definitely appreciates that.
Like what you just heard? Share it with your family and friends. And thanks for listening.